Hi, thank you for being here. I just want to dedicate this song to a girl that, no matter what happens in our lives, she'll always be in my heart. You lift my heart up, and the rest of me is down. You enchant me, even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. Feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Oh, I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? Got me losing every breath. Why did you kiss me to make my heart beat out my chest? Feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. Cause you're the one designed for me, a distant stranger I will complete. I know you're out there, meant to be. So keep your head down, and please make it back to me.